We're going to talk about our three types of transformation. So we've talked about translations, we've talked about reflections, we've talked about dilations, and we're going to look at an example for each. So up first in our notes, it says to translate the shape 7 units up. And over here for vocab, it says translate means the shape moves up, down, left, or right. It could also mean that it slides. So if I take point A and I am going to move it 7 boxes up because that's what it says up here. So I'm going to take this point and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's where my new point's going to go. We're going to say that's A prime. Okay, A with that little apostrophe. So if we write it over here, okay, that mark means that it's prime. Okay, so let's move B. So B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I moved 7 points up. Here's where my new B is going to go. Since it's new, we're going to put that little hash mark there. Okay, move in C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes up. Here's where C is going to be. Okay, it's a new mark, so it's going to get a prime. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is where my new D point is going to go 7 spots up from where it was before. Connect our points. It's been translated. Okay, all we did was move it up. We connect our points. Okay, and we're done. So translate, that's when we're going to move our shape up, down, left, or right. And my pen is really causing trouble. Okay, so translate, moving up, down, left, or right. Let's talk about reflecting. So reflecting means that a shape gets mirrored, okay? Or you could think of it that it got flipped. And so if we look over at question 2, it says reflect over the x-axis. Well, here is my x-axis. So I'm going to flip it over this green line. Okay. If I look at A is 1, 2 spots away from the green line, from the x-axis. So I'm going to go 1, 2. Here is where my new A is going to go. Okay. B from the green line is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Here is my new B. Notice here A to B is 1, 2 boxes. A to B is still 1, 2 boxes. C from the green line is 1, 2 spots. So I'm going to go 1, 2 spots down, okay, because I'm going over the x-axis. Notice A and C is 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes from each other. Up here, A and C are 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes from each other. Okay, connect here. So all we did was we flipped it. My point was up here, and now it flips to down here. Okay, it's flipping over the x-axis. Our last type of transformation is dilation. So dilation means we make the shape bigger or smaller using multiplication or division. So this one, we're going to dilate by 2. So 2 means we're going to make it bigger. I'm going to take each of these points and I'm going to multiply them by 2. So times 2, times 2, times 2, and times 2. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. 2 times 2 is 4. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. 4 times 2 is 8. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. 2 times 2 is 4. If I go to graph this, negative 10, 4, x is negative 10, y is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is my new a. Negative 10, 8, negative 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is my new b. All right, so notice A and B, they were 2 boxes apart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they're 4 boxes apart. C is going to be negative 2, 4. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is where my new C is at. Okay, dilation. My triangle got so much longer. Okay, A to C was 1, 2, 3, 4 before. And now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because 4 times 2 got me to 8. So dilation we make bigger or smaller. Reflection, think of it like a mirror. Okay, notice A and C are still closest to that green line. And then translation is when we are going to slide or move our shape up, down, left, or right.